Ever wonder how cannabis is grown? Believe it or not, UConn students can now learn all about that process in a classroom setting. And with over 350 students enrolled, interest in the Department of Plant Science and Landscape Architecture is at an all-time high. This is no ordinary college course.
These plants have 0.3% THC content or less.
Horticulture of cannabis, from seed to harvest, is believed to be the first college course in the nation that gives students credit for learning how to grow cannabis plants.
It's very important for academia to recognize the legitimacy of the study of cannabis, and I wanted to be in the pioneer class.
But the course objective is not easy access to recreational marijuana.
It is illegal to grow this for recreational purposes in our state. We're in no way trying to promote students growing this in their basement.
Now the fastest growing business in the United States, marijuana could become bigger than organic food. And Forbes says it could grow into a $57 billion industry in the next decade.
It's just incredibly satisfying to know that we've been able to get this program as far as we have, so much so that we now can offer one of the first courses in the U.S.
By the end of the semester, students enrolled in the course can expect to get a solid understanding of cannabis horticulture. I'm Lianne Zana for UCTV News.